Known for bluebonnets and bluebell ice cream, the city of Brenham is perhaps one of the most idyllic cities in Texas. The police and fire departments here take great pride in serving their community and taxpayers. The City of Brenham Police Office and fire units process over 30,000 calls annually. To manage this, the city was spending a significant portion of their budget on mobile data terminals. The terminals included Panasonic rugged laptops and mounting equipment. In addition to being expensive, Brenham officers complained that the Panasonic laptops were bulky and reduced their field of view when driving. The city began looking into a more cost-effective alternative, and tablets emerged as the form factor of choice. Most tablets running Microsoft Windows were not deemed secure enough to meet criminal justice information system requirements, nor could they handle the rugged demands of public safety use. One particular concern the city had was the tablet's ability to withstand the hot Texas summers. The city replaced their existing Toughbooks and mounts with Explore rugged tablets and RAM mounts. Explore tablets run Microsoft Windows, easily supporting the city's existing mobile CAD dispatch, reporting systems, and state and federal databases. The city uses Explore tablets for dispatching and routing, as well as accessing and reporting information on a daily basis. The large touchscreen interface and rugged keyboard make for simple data entry. The RAM mount makes it easy to adjust the viewing angle and keyboard access. The in-vehicle mount allows for full computing access for a passenger. The tablets can easily be removed from the vehicle and brought into the office. With Explore tablets, the City of Brenham is saving approximately 30% of their budget annually and benefiting from improved portability and ease of use.